Good morning everyone, my name is Ferincia from iTrial Institution and today I want to talk about the psychology of procrastination. So, quick question. Have you ever wondered why do you prefer to do your work in last minute rather than in 3 or 4 5 3 or 5 day before the due time? Now, for most of the people who do the last minute one, that's because they do not have the need to get the full score. They do not know and do not want to know their full potential that they can put into the assignment, but rather they prefer to just submit it in time and I don't need to put much effort into the work. Why does this happen? This happen because our brain feels like there's no difference if we do it 3 or 5 days before and in last minute. That because we felt like if I do it 3 or 5 days before, there's no difference. I prefer to wait until I'm ready and then I do it. But when are we ready? We are never ready. We are ready when we got pressured. The pressure is the due time. That's why people do it last minutely. But why do we procrastinate? We procrastinate because, first of all, we think of the job is too hard. Why? When we see assignment, we see, oh my god, there's a new work. I don't feel like doing it. I don't want to do it. And when we do that, we feel like the job is so hard. I cannot do this now. I feel like I will be drained now. That's why we wait until we are again ready, but we are never ready. But when you do it last minute, you see like, oh, it's not that bad. I can do that days before. But why did we not do this? Because we process the information as if it's something that's so hard we cannot handle this now. But because of pressure, the pressure is more unbearable than the weight of work. So we do it now. And the other topic is that we lose track of time. Now, for most of the time, when we do our assignment, we definitely will feel drained. For example, there's 5 assignments due today. You work for all due in 23:59 p.m. You do the other work first, and then you feel drained. That's okay. You take a 5-minute breaks. So you scroll your phone for 5 minutes. But because of the rise of the social media, we always lose track of time. And then when we suddenly aware, oh my god, I forgot I need to do my work. It's already 5 p.m. It's already 8 p.m. We need to do our 4th assignment. And then we scramble to do the assignment hurriedly. Sometimes we skip we cut corner so that we can submit it all in time. But that's for something that will not affect your life, that's fine. But for something that will affect your life, it can become a habit, and then it will slowly give you a negative. It will slowly affect you into becoming a procrastination. It will slowly affect you and make people look at you like you are a lazy person. But they don't know. Because of what? Because people depend on you when you are doing work. For example, in a work environment, people depend on each other because they need the information from other people to process, so they can process it to another thing. So if you procrastinate your work, other people's work will also be delayed. and then because they cannot do their work as soon as possible, they need to delay it, and their due time is getting shorter and shorter, because not all people are procrastinator. That's why people will start blaming you, start seeing you as a lazy person, while you actually not. Now, to handle procrastination, all you have to do is set timer. If you really need to take a break, you can take a break, but set your timer. For example, set it as 5, 10, 15 minutes, 30 minutes max. For example, when you are asleep and then your alarm start ringing, you will most of the people will put it as snooze, and then you still wake up late. So how to do that? You cannot put a lot of alarm, multiple alarm, so you feel because of that you will feel safe. You will feel safe, like I have another alarm to wake me up, and then you lose track of how many alarm that you snooze, and then you wake up still late. So how to do that? You put 5 or 6 alarm maximum, and then you have to think to yourself, my alarm is only 6, I cannot snooze it or I will not wake up. Because of what? Because the feel of safe in your head will also affect how you handle the situation around you. That's all for me. Thank you.